All right, first grade scientists, today, instead of just talking about living and non-living, we're going to be talking about one of the biggest components of the ocean, which is the water. So today we're going to be looking at waves, which I'm sure you know what that is, but that's the back and forth movement of the ocean, of the water. But we're going to be doing an experiment that talks about erosion, which is the wearing away of land caused by water, wind, and ice. When we look at erosion today, we're going to be talking about the wearing away of the land because of water, because the ocean is made up of water. So today we're going to be doing an experiment, and it's called Waves in the Beach. The materials that we're going to need that I already have are a rectangular dish, some sand, a water bottle, and a ruler. So the question as a scientist that we're going to be answering today is, how do the ocean waves affect the beach? And we're going to record our thinking, or our hypothesis. It's our guess, what we think is going to happen. I already did this ahead of time, and I said, I think the ocean waves will spread the sand over the beach. So there are several steps, and let's look at number one together. It says, number one, fill one side of the dish with a pile of packed sand and measure the height and length with a ruler. Record your observations and write the height and length in the spaces provided. I already did that. It's 2 inches high and it's about 4 inches in length. Number two says, carefully pour water in the empty space of the dish. Lay an empty water bottle on top of the water at the opposite end of the sand pile. Slowly move the water bottle back and forth toward the sand and away, and record your observations. So I'm going to go ahead and pour the water in. I'm going to put the top back on, and like it asked me to do, put the water bottle on one side and slowly move it back and forth. All right, so I've been doing this for a while now, and I cut the video so you didn't have to watch the whole time. What do you notice is happening to the sand? Pause this video and explain to someone what is happening. All right, I'm wondering what you observed. Here's what Mr. Christenberry and I observed, that the sand started moving to the other side of the dish. It didn't just stay on the left side. When we did our measuring, we said that the height was anywhere from 1 or even less than 1 inch over here to maybe 2 inches all the way over here, whereas before it was 2 inches all the way across. And we said that the length went from about 4 inches to spreading all the way across to almost 8 inches. So when I think about the result of my experiment and I think about erosion, I know that the water plays a big part in the sand moving at the bottom of the ocean and where the beaches are. If you think about some of the living things at the bottom of the ocean, like coral and anemone, I wonder if they too are affected by the movement of that water. Today in Seesaw, your job is going to be to explain something that you know about the waves. It could be something like their color or how they move, or you could even use the results from today's experiment to write a couple sentences about what you know about waves. Good luck, Spartans!